tech world has been buzzing with excitement as Apple gears up for its next groundbreaking release, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, 2025. Every year, Apple manages to surprise us with new innovations, design changes, and software upgrades that set the bar for the entire smartphone industry. But with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, things feel very different. This isn't just another iPhone upgrade. It's being called the biggest leap forward since the iPhone X. And now, with the first official look trailer revealed and new leaks confirmed, the anticipation has skyrocketed. In this video, we're going to explore everything about the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max, from its design, display, performance, battery, AI features, camera system, price, and release date, to whether it's actually worth waiting for in 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Apple has always followed a very calculated strategy with its iPhones. Sometimes, the company makes big revolutionary changes, like the iPhone 4 with Retina display, iPhone X with Face ID, or the iPhone 14 Pro with Dynamic Island. Other times, they focus on refinement and stability. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max, all signs point to Apple planning another revolutionary redesign. According to recent leaks and reports, Apple wants the iPhone 17 Pro Max to stand out from the competition, not just against Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra or Google's Pixel 10 Pro, but also upcoming foldables and AI-powered smartphones entering the market in 2025. Apple doesn't want to just keep up. They want to dominate the conversation with features no one else can replicate. The official first-look trailer recently teased by Apple gives us a stunning visual of what's coming. In the trailer, the phone is shown with incredibly slim bezels, a slightly curved edge design, and what appears to be a new front-facing camera system. Some key highlights from the trailer include a redesigned titanium frame that's lighter but stronger, a new color option, rumored to be midnight titanium, alongside classic space black, silver, and deep blue, a full-screen display with no visible cutouts, suggesting that Apple may finally move to an under-display Face ID plus camera system. Stunning cinematic shots showcasing the camera bump redesign, with larger lenses hinting at upgraded sensors. A teaser for next-gen A19 Pro chip performance with an emphasis on AI computing and graphics power. This trailer alone has fueled massive speculation about just how far Apple is willing to go in 2025. One of the most exciting rumors is the display upgrade. Apple is reportedly working with Samsung and LG on 6th generation OLED and micro-LED panels for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Expected upgrades include 6.9-inch ProMotion display with 1 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rate, 2800 nit peak brightness for outdoor visibility, under-display Face ID and front camera for a truly uninterrupted screen, micro-LED technology for richer colors, better HDR, and longer lifespan. If true, this could be the biggest display jump since OLED first came to the iPhone X. Performance is always Apple's strongest weapon, and the A19 Pro chip is shaping up to be a monster. Built on 2nm TSMC architecture, this chip is designed to deliver 40% better efficiency compared to a 17 Pro. Massive AI capabilities for on-device machine learning, improved neural engine for generative AI, Siri upgrades, and real